8 minutes. That's less time than it takes to make instant ramen, but somehow enough time to completely rewire your financial future and save your first 100 grand. No, I'm not selling you crypto snake oil or some pyramid scheme disguised as a business opportunity. I'm talking about 5 genuinely life-changing tips that'll make your bank account fatter than a Thanksgiving turkey. Buckle up, because we're about to speedrun wealth building like it's a Mario Kart track. Number 1. The reverse budget hustle. Forget everything you know about budgeting. Traditional budgets are like New Year's resolutions. They sound great in theory but crash and burn faster than a crypto influencer's credibility. Instead, we're flipping the script with reverse budgeting, also known as pay yourself first. Here's the brutal truth. Most people budget their leftovers. They pay rent, buy groceries, splurge on that overpriced coffee that costs more than some people's hourly wage, and then try to save whatever's left. Here's the thing, there's never anything left. It's like trying to diet after eating the entire pizza. The reverse budget is different. You automatically transfer your savings the moment your paycheck hits your account. 20% minimum, non-negotiable. No excuses. No, but I need new shoes. Your savings account becomes your most demanding landlord, and you pay that rent first. Then you figure out how to live on what's left. Trust me, you'll find a way. Humans are incredibly resourceful when their back's against the wall. But here's where most people mess up. They save their money in the financial equivalent of hiding cash under their mattress. Which brings us to tip number 2, and oh boy, this one's going to make your money work harder than a Silicon Valley intern. Number 2, the compound interest cheat code. Albert Einstein allegedly called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world, and honestly, he wasn't wrong. It's basically legal money magic, and yet most people treat it like it's quantum physics. Let me break it down for you in terms so simple, even your financially illiterate cousin will get it. Compound interest is when your money makes money, and then that money makes more money, creating this beautiful snowball effect that would make Warren Buffett shed a tear of joy. Here's the kicker, starting early is worth more than saving more. A 25-year-old who saves $200 a month until retirement will have more money than a 35-year-old who saves $400 a month for the same period. Time literally beats money in this game. The S&P 500 has averaged about 10% annual returns over the past 90 years. That means your $100,000 goal? At 10% annual returns, it doubles every 7 years. Year 1, $10,000. Year 7, $20,000. Year 14, $40,000. Year 21, $80,000. By year 25, you're sitting pretty at 6 figures, and you barely lifted a finger. Now, I know what you're thinking, but where do I even start investing? Well, hold on to your wallet because tip 3 is about to make investing easier than ordering food delivery. Number 3, the lazy investor's goldmine. Forget stock picking. Forget trying to time the market. Forget everything those finance bros in expensive suits tell you about beating the market. You know what beats 90% of professional fund managers? A simple, boring, unglamorous index fund. It's like the Honda Civic of investments, not flashy, but it'll get you where you need to go without breaking down. Index funds are basically the financial world's version of diversification on autopilot. Instead of buying individual stocks and praying you don't pick the next Enron, you're buying a tiny piece of hundreds or thousands of companies all at once. When Apple goes up, you win. When Microsoft goes up, you win. When both go down, you're still winning because you're also invested in literally hundreds of other companies. The best part? You can set it and forget it. Open a Roth IRA, dump money into a low-cost total stock market index fund like VTSAX or VTI, and then go live your life. No daily stress about market fluctuations. No trying to decode financial news written by people who clearly failed English class. Just steady, consistent growth that'll make you rich while you sleep. But here's the plot twist nobody talks about. All of this wealth building means absolutely nothing if you're hemorrhaging money faster than a punctured fire hydrant. Which brings us to the silent killer of financial dreams. Number 4. The subscription vampire slayer. Death by 1,000 cuts. That's what subscription services are doing to your bank account right now. Netflix, Spotify, That gym membership you haven't used since the Obama administration, the meal kit service that seemed like a good idea at 2 a.m., and approximately 17 other monthly charges you forgot existed. Here's a fun exercise. Grab your bank statement and add up every single recurring charge. Go ahead. I'll wait. Done? How does it feel to realize you're spending more on monthly subscriptions than some people spend on groceries? That $200 plus you're bleeding every month? That's $2,400 a year. Invested at 10% returns, that's $25,000 in 10 years. You just found your down payment money hiding in your subscription list. The solution is ruthless. Cancel everything except what you actually use multiple times per week. And here's a pro tip that'll save you even more. Call your remaining services and ask for discounts. That internet bill? Negotiable. That phone plan? Probably overpriced. Insurance? Shop around annually. Companies bank on your laziness, but a 5-minute phone call can save you hundreds. All right, we've covered saving, investing, and cutting expenses. But there's one final piece of the puzzle that separates the financially free from the financially frustrated. Number 5. The income multiplication matrix. Your salary is not your ceiling. It's your floor. While everyone else is complaining about not earning enough, smart people are busy creating multiple income streams. You don't need to quit your day job and become a full-time entrepreneur. Although you could. You need to think like a financial octopus with multiple arms grabbing cash from different directions. Side hustles aren't just for college students anymore. That skill you have? Monetize it. Good at writing? Freelance. Know Excel? Teach it. Have a car? Drive for rideshare apps during peak hours. Can you edit videos? Design logos? Or literally anything else? Congratulations, you just found your first income stream. But here's the secret sauce. Treat your side income like play money that goes straight into investments. Your main job covers your lifestyle. Your side hustles fund your future. This psychological separation prevents lifestyle inflation and accelerates your path to that $100,000 milestone. The math is simple. An extra $500 per month from side hustles invested at 10% returns becomes $64,000 in 10 years. Combined with your main savings strategy, you're not just hitting $100,000, you're obliterating it. There you have it, 5 strategies that'll put you on the fast track to 6 figures faster than you can say, compound interest. But here's the thing about financial advice. It only works if you actually do something with it. Knowledge without action is just expensive entertainment. Remember to like and hit the subscribe button and bell icon, and drop a comment telling me the tip you're implementing first. Remember, the best time to start building wealth was 10 years ago. The second best time is right now. Stop making excuses and start making money moves.